7. Virtue. The word virtue comes from the Latin and meant originally strength, courage, and excellence. In the Old and New Testaments, the words in Hebrew and Greek translated as virtue mean in the original languages force, strength of mind or body, and power. This meaning of power as virtue is clear in Luke 6:19 and 8:46. In Proverbs 31:10 and 29, the virtuous woman is a strong woman, strong in character and in her abilities. In Proverbs 12:4 we read, quote, "A virtuous woman is a crown to her husband, but she that maketh ashamed is as rottenness in his bones." Because a virtuous woman is morally and in every other way strong and capable, she adds so greatly to her husband's calling that she enables him to be a ruler or king in his realm, whereas a morally weak and incompetent wife is a source of shame and weakness, as rottenness in his bones. A husband lacking virtue is fully as disastrous as his wife, if not more so. Virtue, thus, in its biblical meaning, is strength, moral strength, the wise use of abilities, and a general competence. A boy or girl reared without the discipline of work, self-government, and moral force thus lacks virtue in the biblical sense. Too many people act as though virtue means not doing certain sinful acts. Its biblical meaning involves something far more positive. Virtue is this strong and positive faithfulness to every word of God and a courageous stand for the Lord in every area of life and thought. Virtue in the Bible means power. Today, as always, true virtue is God's power at work in this world through men. God grant us a virtuous people.